Hi, I have published this add-in called as Wordify, which lets you convert numbers into words in MS Excel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to download this add-in from my site, then how to install it in your MS Excel. Then I'll also take you through some of the things that you can do with the add-in. So to download the add-in, you need to go to my site, that's vishwanathanmb.com. Once you're in the site, you need to go to Downloads, and in Downloads, you'll find this as the first item, utility called as Wordify. Click on that to download. You can save it anywhere. I'll probably save it in Documents, and then you can click Open. This is a compressed file, so you will have to extract this. You can again extract this to any folder, but the preferable folder would be the default add-ins folder. I'll go and save it there. And now you can see the add-in in our list. Once this is done, our next step is to open MS Excel and activate the add-in. So I'll go to MS Excel, we'll go to Options, and Options we can go to Add-ins. Then you can come down to Manage Excel Add-ins, click on Go. Right now the add-in is not visible here, so what we need to do is click on Browse, select the add-in from our list, click OK, and you make sure it's ticked and then click OK again. So the add-in is now invoked and we can use it. So before I take you through the functions, just wanted to let you know that the add-in is still in its beta stage. So you may just want to make sure that the answer is correct before you print it and use it for your official use. Any feedback if you want, you can always drop it in the comment section, or you can reach out to me. So let me now take you through how to work with the add-in. So let me create a new document. So what we'll do is I'll start with a few texts or a few numbers, and then we'll see what all this add-in can do. So I'm going to type a number like 155,493.68. The first function I'm going to take you through is the inverse function, which puts this number in words. Number in words. The syntax is simply in words, and then you select the number, and you'll see the number appearing in words here, 155,493. Now, if you're in India where you follow a different numeral system where we work with lakhs and crores, you could use equals in words, select the number and type comma 1. That is what you would use for Indian number system, which is going to give you answer as 1,55,493. Notice that both the words did not include decimals. It only prints the integer aspect. If you want the decimal, we have another function called as DEC text. The DEC text function reads out decimals based on the number of digits we specify. So let me also demonstrate that here. So DEC text, I'm going to select the number, and I perhaps want to round it off to 2 digits. So comma 2, and it reads 68, which are the two numbers that we had typed there. What if I wanted to read it as $155,493.68? For that, there's a function called as currency text. The syntax for that is CURRENCY, currency text. You select the number. The default currency is set to be USD, and the default minor currency is set to be cents. So if I close it right now, it's going to see USD 155,493.67 cents. On the other hand, if you wanted some other currencies to appear like INR and Paise, what you could do is provide them as subsequent arguments, comma INR, which is the major currency unit, followed by Paise, which is the minor currency unit for India. Here again you have an option to specify the numeral system. By default it is the Western numeral, so you will get the answers in millions and billions. If you want it in Indian numerals, you have to put a comma 1. That's going to give you INR 1,50,493 and 67 paise. This add-in also has one more function that will read each digit as a separate word. This can be done through DGT word. So let me illustrate this with another number. So I'm going to type a number here, number 23. Now to spell each word, I'm going to use the digit word. So equals DGT word. I select this. That's called 23. So this digit word also by default only reads the integer aspect. So even if I were to type something like 23.72, notice that it only reads the integer part of it. So if you want it to also read the decimal part, what you can do is type DGT word, select the number, then you will have to type comma 1. The 1 ensures that it also reads the decimal point. So now you see it reads as 23.72. What if this were to be a ranking? So you don't want it as 23 or 23, you want it as 23rd. It ranks 23rd. So you can also get the rank using a rank text function, which is going to be equals to rank text. And you select the data and you notice that it gives the rank. Again, rank only takes the rank based on the integer number. It doesn't factor in the decimal. Typically you wouldn't have that while dealing with numbers, right? Okay, hope this video explained how to get the add-in and how you can use it in your work. Good luck. Any issues that you face with the add-in or any improvements you would like, put it in the comments either in the YouTube or in my website. All feedbacks are welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.